Alright, so for this video, we are working on composition of functions. So we have this problem: find f of g of 2 when f of x is equal to 1 over x and g of x is equal to 4x plus 9. So first let's talk about what this f of g means, or fog. So f of g is the same thing as if I wrote f of g of x like this. And if you notice, before I used to have this f of x, but replacing that x right here is now g of x. So that's now what used to be my x. And if we think about it, this used to be equal to, so if I made up a function, it was like 3, and then whatever this x was, plus 2. So if I wanted to find f of 2 here, I would say 3 times 2 plus 2, and I would just plug this part in to here, right? So this part in to wherever you saw that x. So this idea, we're doing the same thing as this. Move this over here. But now we're doing it with complete functions that we're going to plug in. So first thing you want to ask yourself is, okay, what is f of x equal to? Well, it's equal to 1 over x. So where this x is, I'm going to have to replace that now. Instead of x, I want to replace it with g of x. And this whole thing, remember, is the same as f of g. So this is 1 over, and instead of x, we're going to put what g of x is, which is going to be 4x plus 9. So I'm putting 4x plus 9 where I used to have that x right there. So we found what the f of g function is. Now all we need to do is say, instead of this x right here, I'm going to want to put f of g, and I'm not going to put x this time. Let me write the whole thing. So instead of the x's right here, I'm going to put what we're trying to find, 2. So now, when I solve this, I have f of g of 2 is equal to 1 over 4 times 2 is 8, plus 9, which is equal to 1 over 17. So my f of g of 2 is equal to 1 over 17. And that's how you do your composition problems.